Number 1.
1992 Ford Ranger, price $6,500, with a total mileage of 64,000 miles, represents a simpler, tougher era of trucks. It features a green exterior paired with a gray interior and is powered by a gasoline engine. Its 5-speed manual transmission offers a truly engaging driving experience. What sets this particular truck apart is its rebuilt engine, which has only accumulated about 10,000 miles since the rebuild. The vehicle comes with a clean title and has recently passed its smog inspection. A new catalytic converter system was also installed when it was brought in from Oklahoma. The owner has invested approximately $7,000 to maintain the Ranger's health and dependability, ensuring that it starts right up, runs smoothly, and shifts effortlessly. It embodies the classic Ford toughness that many truck enthusiasts appreciate.
Number 2.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,900, with a remarkably low 74,000 original miles, is a prime example of a classic truck. It boasts a black exterior with a striking blue interior and is powered by a gasoline engine. This truck is notable for being 100% rust-free and is equipped with a 350 small block V8 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, sending power to the rear wheels. It runs and drives great, though it has been lowered an unspecified amount, as it was a show truck back in the 90s. While it's not perfect, its solid foundation makes it an ideal project for a custom build. The only known issues are its low stance, which the seller considers too low, and a radiator hose that may need to be replaced. For an additional cost, the seller also has a brand new 3/5 drop kit and 454 SS wheels that can be included with the truck.
Number 3.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,300. It has 225,000 miles on its chassis but still runs and drives well. It's finished in a sharp red exterior with a black interior. A notable modification is the 350 small block engine, which has been converted from a throttle body injection system to a more traditional 4-barrel carburetor, a common upgrade for these trucks that can often improve performance and simplify maintenance. The transmission, described as a 5-speed manual, is a key feature that provides a more connected and engaging driving experience than a standard automatic. Currently, the only known issue preventing it from being a daily driver is a broken clutch line, which needs to be replaced. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1994 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,700. It features a striking monochrome burgundy color scheme on both its exterior and interior and is powered by a gasoline engine. Under the hood is a 5.7-liter throttle body injection 350 small block V8, paired with an NV4500 5-speed manual transmission. The truck starts, runs, and stops, and while it idles great, it does break up under a load, though no trouble codes are present. Despite this, the truck is in great overall condition with a solid frame. The only significant rust is on the rockers, while the bed is in near-mint condition with no holes. The truck has been upgraded with a set of oversized 20-inch Vision rocker wheels and new Venom Power Terra Hunter tires. It also has an extremely loud true dual exhaust system with no catalytic converters or mufflers. Recent maintenance includes a fresh tune-up with a new cap, rotor, plugs, wires, oil, TPS, ICM, IAC, fuel filter, and alternator. While the transmission shifts through all gears, the third gear synchronizer ring needs to be replaced.
Number 5.
1970 Ford F100, price $7,500. This truck is a truly impressive find, distinguished by its origins in California, which has kept its body beautiful, straight, and completely rust-free. As a mostly original truck, it offers a genuine vintage driving experience. Under the hood, it's powered by a reliable inline 6-cylinder engine, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission operated by a column shifter, a classic feature of the era. Staying true to its factory specifications, this F100 does not have power steering or power brakes, offering the unfiltered, old-school feel that many enthusiasts seek. While a few exterior trim pieces show minor signs of wear and tear, and the seat could use a reupholstery to restore its appearance, these are small details that don't detract from the truck's excellent overall condition.
Number 6.
1975 Chevrolet C10, price $9,500. It sports a tan exterior that complements its tan interior, and it's powered by a 350 small block engine. The original transmission has been upgraded to a rebuilt 700R4 automatic transmission for improved performance and reliability. The truck features several new parts, including Beltec shocks for a better ride, and new exterior components like a new grille, front bumper, taillights, and parking lights. The fuel system has also received attention, with a new fuel line for the left gas tank and a new switch valve. The only current issue with the fuel system is the right gas tank, which needs to be replaced.
Number 7.
1996 Ford F150, price $5,000. It features a clean white exterior paired with a vibrant red interior and is powered by a 5.0 LEFI V8 gasoline engine. The truck runs and drives great, thanks to a rebuilt engine and automatic transmission that were replaced roughly 45,000 miles ago. All of its features are in working order, including the power windows, door locks, cruise control, and all lights. The interior is in excellent condition with no tears in the seats. The tires are also in great shape with plenty of life left in them. Besides the aftermarket wheels, the truck remains completely stock.
Recent maintenance by the current owner includes new shocks all around, a new alternator, and a fresh oil change. Number 8.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. A striking gray truck with 202,000 miles on the body, has been well cared for. It's powered by a gasoline engine, but the 5.7-liter V8 engine itself has less than 100,000 miles. It's equipped with an automatic transmission and has been upgraded with new 20-inch wheels, drilled rotors, and new brake pads. The exterior has a custom, streamlined look thanks to its shaved door handles, which now open with a remote control. Other features include a cowl hood, remote start, and tinted windows all around. This truck also boasts a clean title, new catalytic converters, new exhaust pipes, and registration that is valid until June 2026.
Number 9.
1996 GMC 2500, price $7,000, capable and well-maintained truck with 194,000 miles on the chassis.
It comes in an attractive green exterior with a gray interior and is powered by a gasoline engine.
The truck runs and drives great, thanks to a replacement 5.7-liter Vortec V8 engine and a very clean, low-mileage used automatic transmission that were installed about 10 years ago. Since the replacement, the owner has driven it less than 20,000 miles. An excellent upgrade was made when the engine was converted from a central sequential fuel injection system to a multi-port fuel injection system. For added convenience, the truck is equipped with power windows, power locks, power mirrors, and a tow package, and the AC blows cold.
Number 10.
1978 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,500, powerful vintage truck with 130,000 miles on the chassis. It features a striking monochrome red color scheme on both its exterior and interior. Despite some rust on the body, the truck is mechanically sound and ready to drive, thanks to a number of recent upgrades. Under the hood, it has a brand new motor and a new exhaust system with headers, which improve both performance and sound. The suspension and steering have also been overhauled with rough country lift springs, new steering components, and new shocks, giving it an aggressive stance and better handling.
A new U-joint has also been installed, ensuring the drivetrain is solid.
All of these upgrades make it an ideal project for someone who wants to restore a classic with a strong mechanical foundation.